You just bolt this to a wall and then you add lights, but I'll show you. Yeah, well, we have good directions, but yeah, you're right. It's quite a complicated project. Hi, I'm Hal Aronson, co-founder of We Care Solar, and today we're going to build the switch box. And the switch box is a device that brings electricity from the solar suitcase to remote switches, which then will bring additional light to schools, orphanages, and refugee camps.
Go ahead.
This is fun. Let me know when you're ready. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Are you rolling? Okay. So we have the electrical box, we have the cord grips, we have the terminal block, wire strippers, and the pliers. So let's get started. Step one, or actually this is step two in the book, is we're going to knock out the knockouts. We're only going to knock out the top and the bottom. Then I'm going to turn it over and do the same on the other side. So I screw it in. And you want the cord grip to seat tightly into the box. So I can almost do that with my hands, but I'll use the pliers for the last little bit. So now I'm going to grab one lamp cord, and I'm going to grab this end of the cable. This end of the cable has a long stripped red wire and one prepared black wire. I'm going to put those together and into the box. So I just need to do this hand tight, and watch this. You can test it by pulling hard on it. Do you see how the cable doesn't move? So I've got about 1 inch of jacket coming in, and now I tighten this cord grip. And there's a convenient little strip guide on the terminal block that tells me how much needs to be trimmed off. And what I'll do is I'll trim it off so there's 1 centimeter of stripped wire there. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So you see how all three are approximately stripped about 1 centimeter. Do not cut the red wire, okay? Insert the wires fully, push it in, snap it, give it a tug to make sure it's good, insert it fully, close it, and you can see that all three are nice and firmly connected. Take the negative wires and push them to the bottom of the box, out of the way. All I need to do is take this screwdriver tip as a guide and shape the wire so that it's a good shape to go around the screw. See, I've got that little crook in there, and I'm going to put it on clockwise, and I'm going to tighten this down. So you crank down on this. This is a robust switch until, with your hand strength, you cannot get it any tighter, okay? Have a medium strength student do it, not your strongest student. And you've wired the switch. 2 lamp cords going out, power coming in. Make sure I'm not pinching any wires in the process. Take my screwdriver and screw it on down. And now we have the switch wired. And all we have to do is put the bulbs in. The blue are positive, the white are negative. Now in the switch box kit, the red is positive and the black is negative. So go ahead and twist your wires. Close that. And then we'll do the same with the negative. So white is the universal negative in electricity, though in battery technology, black is often used for negative. Now we've wired this in. And I'm going to turn on the main power switch. And now let's try out the switches. All right, the system works.
Get it.